right, and then we're checking out here in the sun. This paint is absolutely gorgeous. Looks way better than in the photo booth. That paint just pops. So when you drive this, this is what it's gonna look like. Wheels look awesome, gloss black. Front end looks good. Love the RST package. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 22,810 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering going on in the screens here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Alignment's perfectly straight, hands off the wheel, driving nice and straight. No issues there. Suspension super soft. Very, very quiet, especially the drive is nice because it's a long wheelbase being the Suburban, so it's going to be a little bit smoother than just a standard Tahoe. Brakes feel good, no vibrations or shakes or shimmies there. Very smooth shifting, so no complaints with the drivability. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at that wheel, it's in great condition. I don't see any curb rash. Date code on the tire, 2023. Looking at the tread, still got some good life left on it. Here on the paint, you do have some hard water spots in here, probably from like a sprinkler. We do offer paint correction though in-house, so you can get that looking tip-top if that was something that bugged you. That looks good. Here on the side mirror, typical bug etching just from bugs kind of sitting on the clear, kind of etching into it. A-pillar looks nice. Looking at that door, you do have film on that door edge protecting it, as well as the door cups. Now around it you do see a couple light fingernail scratches. Lower section looks good. Overall, that pillar looks nice. Couple small flaws. That door looks good. That pillar's clean. The back looks nice. Here on this wheel, we do have some rash right there and right there. The rest of it looks good. Side steps look awesome. Kind of gloss black trim on the edge, looks good. Looking at that front, a couple rock impacts, little chips. Got one right there. A couple more, all very minor. Upper side of the hood. Overall in great condition. Typical rock impacts and little scuffs. And then right here on this little trim, you're gonna see some clear coat issues. Looks like some kind of stains on there or little bubbles in the clear. And then on the right lighting, they look really dark. And up here, they're really light. So that might be actually in the clear, like little air pockets or something. Not quite sure what that is, but I do see those in that area. And a couple here. Some light scuffs, a little rock chip. That fender's in great condition. Overall, that wheel's clean. Do see a little imperfection there in the paint. Here on that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looking on the plastic, typical little gashes on there. Paint though looks awesome. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now we do have some little scratches on that plastic there. Here on the upper side, that's all leather. The red stitching looks good. Memory seating, buttons are nice and clean. All of that looks good. Love the pattern here. Lower section, that looks good. Looking at the floor mats, that looks good. Light scuffs on that trim. That seat looks really nice. Here on the steering wheel, you still have a matte finish to it. A couple light scuffs there. Got the red stitching. Got the heated steering wheel, forward collision alert. Overall, that wheel looks really nice. You got the auto start stop, 360 camera, lane alert, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake. Got the power steering column. Got everything there. The screen looks amazing. In here, you got your wireless charger, and then USB-C port in there. Got the heated seats, no cooled. A lot of storage there. Looks really good. Here on this door panel, that upper section looks amazing. Got the red stitching in here, nice and clean. Ton of storage. That looks good. Typical scratches on that trim. Got the all-weather mats. That bolster looks really good. Love the stitching. Light little scuff here. That bolster's clean. The rest of that seat looks amazing. That side of the console's good. Here on the glove box, you do have some scratches or gashes in the plastic. Upper side there looks good. Scanning the dash here, that looks nice. Massive panoramic roof. Then here on the third row, from what I can tell, looks really good. All right, checking out this door panel, we do have a couple scratches on the plastic. That looks really good. That trim's clean. You got the all-weather mats, full coverage, front to back. That looks really, really good. That seat, very nice. Still has that matte finish to it. Love the detail in here. The seats are heated. You have 2 USB-C ports and then the climate control access. You do have some little scuffs on the plastic. And then a massive view here. Got the LED lighting. All of that looks really good. All right, checking out this door panel. Upper section looks good. A couple light markings here. A few stains on that plastic. That seat though looks really good. Beautiful matte finish to it. Seat back looks nice. All-weather mats. Here in the cargo area, all that carpet looks awesome. Got your outlets, power folding seats. Ton of storage under there. And then of course it is power. And then looking here, I do see some very deep gashes on that plastic. All right, checking out the engine bay. All this plastic looks really good. Nice and clean. And then here on the underhood liner, overall in great condition.